Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive not uploading problem. So if you're trying to upload a bunch of videos on Google Drive and you can't upload them, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So close Google Drive first and go to your settings. Now, once you're on settings, you need to go to general. Now, once you click on general, you need to scroll down and look for VPN and device management. Tap on that. So if you're connected to VPN, you need to try and disconnect that. You can then go back to your previous window. So click on General again and select iPhone storage. Now scroll down to the Drive app and click on this. Then press Offload app, confirm the action. So you'll then need to wait a few seconds and press Reinstall app. Head over to the home screen. Now, once it's finished reinstalling, go and open the Drive app. So as you can see, it's not yet finished on my end. Let's wait for it to finish. Now, once installed, let's open it again. Now, let's try to upload a video again. So click on the plus icon. So here you need to click on upload file. And again, so you can choose from photos or videos, or you can click on browse. Then just select the video that you want to upload. Then click on upload at the top right. So right here, you can rename the file. Once done, click on done at the top right. You can also change the location and click on upload at the top right. So you can then check if it now uploads the video. Now, if that still doesn't solve the problem, you can close that and go back to settings. Next, you can go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to the internet. You can also try switching. If you're using Wi Fi, you can switch that to your mobile data. So just turn off Wi Fi and turn on your data. Then go back to Google Drive and just upload a file again and see if that works. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.